Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the coolest tech gadgets that make your life easier and more fun. Today, we're counting down the top 9 coolest gadgets for smartphone users, all available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to upgrade your phone setup, these gadgets are going to blow your mind. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. So, let's get started. 9. Mini projector for iPhone. A mini projector for the iPhone offers a compact and versatile solution for projecting multimedia content on the go. These portable devices connect seamlessly with your iPhone, allowing you to share videos, photos, presentations, and even games with a larger audience without needing a traditional projector setup. Many mini projectors are designed with advanced LED or laser technology, providing bright, high-quality images despite their small size. They typically feature built-in batteries, enabling several hours of projection on a single charge, which is ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or impromptu gatherings. With a variety of connection options such as HDMI, USB, and wireless capabilities, these projectors easily integrate with your iPhone, often using apps or direct cables to transfer content. Additionally, they come equipped with adjustable focus and keystone correction features to ensure optimal image clarity and alignment. 8. Mophie Power Station Plus Battery. The Mophie Power Station Plus is a high-capacity external battery designed to provide a reliable power boost for your devices on the go. With its sleek, compact design, it offers an impressive balance between portability and performance. The Power Station Plus features a built-in charging cable, typically designed for either Lightning or USB-C connections, allowing you to conveniently charge your smartphone, tablet, or other devices without the need for additional cables. This integrated cable eliminates the hassle of carrying multiple cords, making it an ideal companion for travelers and busy professionals. Equipped with a substantial battery capacity, the Power Station Plus delivers multiple charges to your devices, ensuring you stay connected throughout the day. Its advanced charging technology ensures efficient power delivery while protecting your devices from overcharging and overheating. 7. AboveTech Pillow Holder. The AboveTech Pillow Holder is a versatile and ergonomic accessory designed to enhance your comfort and convenience while using your tablet or e-reader. This innovative pillow-style stand features a soft, cushioned exterior that conforms to your lap or other surfaces, providing a stable and comfortable platform for extended device use. The unique design allows for multiple viewing angles, enabling you to easily adjust the tilt and position of your tablet for optimal viewing, whether you're lounging on the couch, lying in bed, or sitting at a desk. The AboveTech Pillow Holder typically includes a non-slip surface that keeps your device securely in place, reducing the risk of accidental drops or slips. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry and use in various settings, from home to travel. Additionally, the pillowcase is often removable and washable, ensuring easy maintenance and cleanliness. 6. ZenDure SuperBase 500. The ZenDure SuperBase 500 is a powerful and compact portable power station designed to meet a variety of energy needs. With its 500 watt-hours capacity, it offers ample power to charge or run essential devices during power outages, outdoor adventures, or travel. The SuperBase 500 features multiple output ports, including AC, DC, and USB options, providing versatile connectivity for laptops, smartphones, lights, and small appliances. One of its standout features is its high-efficiency inverter, which delivers a stable and reliable power supply with a peak output of 1000 watts. This makes it suitable for powering more demanding devices like mini-fridges or small electronics. The power station's integrated LED display allows users to easily monitor battery status, power consumption, and remaining runtime. 5. Magnetic Smartphone Shooting Holder. The Magnetic Smartphone Shooting Holder is an innovative accessory designed to enhance your smartphone photography and videography experience. This holder utilizes strong magnets to securely attach your smartphone in various orientations, providing a stable platform for capturing high-quality images and videos. Its magnetic mechanism allows for quick and effortless adjustments, enabling you to switch between portrait and landscape modes or tilt your device to achieve the perfect angle. Typically, the holder features a flexible arm or adjustable stand that can be positioned to suit different shooting needs, whether you're capturing a selfie, recording a video, or taking group photos. The magnetic design also ensures that your phone is held firmly in place, reducing the risk of accidental drops or shifts during shooting. This accessory is especially useful for content creators, vloggers, or anyone looking to improve their smartphone photography. 4. Shark Slider Nano. The Shark Slider Nano is a compact and advanced camera slider designed for creators who need smooth and precise camera movements in a portable package. Ideal for both amateur and professional filmmakers, this slider enhances the quality of your video production by providing a steady and controlled motion, whether you're shooting product videos, interviews, or cinematic scenes. The Shark Slider Nano features a high-precision rail system and robust construction, ensuring that your camera moves with minimal friction and maximum stability. Its small size makes it highly portable, easily fitting into a camera bag or carrying case, which is perfect for on-the-go shoots or tight spaces. Despite its compact dimensions, the slider offers impressive versatility, allowing for various shooting angles and smooth horizontal, vertical, or diagonal camera movements. Equipped with adjustable feet and a leveling system, the Shark Slider Nano ensures that you achieve perfectly balanced shots on uneven surfaces. 3. Echo Show 10. The Echo Show 10 is a versatile smart display by Amazon, blending advanced technology with practical features to enhance your daily life. At the heart of its design is a 10.1-inch HD screen that rotates automatically to face you as you move around the room, ensuring you always have a clear view whether you're watching videos, making video calls, or following recipes. This dynamic screen movement is powered by a quiet motor, which makes the Echo Show 10 particularly useful for interactive tasks and video conferencing. Equipped with Alexa, Amazon's voice assistant, the Echo Show 10 allows for hands-free control of smart home devices, music playback, weather updates, and much more. The device's high-fidelity speakers deliver rich, immersive sound quality, enhancing your music listening experience and making voice commands even clearer. The Echo Show 10 also integrates with various smart home systems, enabling you to monitor and control security cameras, lights, and thermostats directly from the display. 2. Dbrand Grip Case. The Dbrand Grip Case is a premium phone case known for its exceptional blend of protection, style, and functionality. Designed to offer superior grip and durability, this case features a textured, non-slip surface that ensures a secure hold, minimizing the chances of accidental drops. Its precision-engineered design provides robust protection against scratches, bumps, and minor impacts without adding unnecessary bulk. One of the standout features of the Dbrand Grip Case is its customizable aesthetic. Dbrand offers a range of high-quality adhesive skins that can be applied to the case, allowing you to personalize the look with various textures and finishes such as carbon fiber, leather, or matte colors. This customization not only enhances the visual appeal, but also maintains a sleek profile that complements your device's design. 1. OSnap Snap Pro 3 Grip. The OSnap Snap Pro 3 Grip is an innovative smartphone accessory designed to enhance both the usability and versatility of your device. Combining the functions of a grip and a stand, this accessory provides a secure and comfortable hold for your phone, reducing hand strain during extended use. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can comfortably use your smartphone for browsing, gaming, or taking photos without the risk of dropping it. One of the standout features of the Snap Pro 3 Grip is its integrated magnetic mechanism, which allows for effortless attachment and detachment of the grip from your phone or case. This magnetic feature ensures a secure connection while allowing for easy adjustments and repositioning. Additionally, the grip functions as a stand, providing multiple viewing angles for hands-free video watching or video calls. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets for smartphone users, all available on Amazon. Which of these gadgets are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.